Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles for Kids, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a pumpkin patch. So I'm going to go in with a dark Crayola marker, doesn't have to be Crayola, and we're going to do some circles. And these circles are going to be our pumpkins. So we'll have these pumpkins out in the front, and we can have some pumpkins in the back, behind those ones. And maybe there's some more over here. Maybe there's another one over here. And how about another one on that side? And a pumpkin right there. All right, so they don't look like pumpkins yet, but they will. Next, I'm going to take an orange marker and I'm going to color in these circles. So when you've got your pumpkins all colored in with your orange, you can take a brown, this is just a light brown, and we're going to make those little indent marks in the pumpkins. So I'm going to start over here at our first pumpkin, and I'm going to make a curved line. Okay, and another curved line going the other way. Another one there, and I'll put one here, and one here, and one here, and keep on going and do that to all of them. Maybe you have a line down the middle straight. All right, so right now it kind of looks like a pile of basketballs. But that's okay. I'm going to take a darker brown. I'll take this color brown and give the pumpkins their little stem. Next, we need a green, And I'm going to give each pumpkin a little leaf next to the stem, just like that. Like some little leaves might be going one way and some little leaves could be going the other way. They might be different sizes. And I'm also going to do some little curly vines in the back. Almost like a little telephone cord. So they don't all have to connect to anything. They kind of look like little pig's tails. These little curly vines. Put another one here. You can just put them wherever you want. We'll stick another one here. And that's probably enough for now. I'm also going to take another green and I'm going to put some strokes here and make some grass. So that it looks like the pumpkins are sitting here on the grass. So these strokes of grass can be going straight up or they can be going to the side. Doesn't matter. I'm also going to use that other color green that we used for the leaves and put some strokes of grass that color too. Something else I'm going to put in this picture is I'm going to take the black marker and I'm going to put in some crows. So I'll put a crow right here on top of this pumpkin. So I'll start by giving him a little beak, just like a little sideways V. And from there I'm going to give him his little head and a little body. Bird tail there and two little feet, and I'll color them in. And I'm going to put another crow in the sky. So the same thing, I'm starting with his little beak. I'll give him a little head, but this beak, sorry, not this beak, this bird, he's going to be in the sky, so he's going to be flying. So I'm going to put a line up that way and then give him some little U shapes there for his wings, his little feathers. And give him his little tail and his feet, and give him his little bird toes and color him in. Now everybody, we've got our pumpkin patch all finished and we added our two little crows. Hopefully those little crows aren't going to eat all those pumpkins, but who knows. Thank you very much for joining us today, and I will see you tomorrow for our next Daily Doodle. Make sure to give this video a like if you liked it, and I hope you guys have fun drawing. Bye!